Hello everyone, so today I'll be doing a review on this Sata to USB 3.0 adapter. So this enables you to hook up a Sata hard drive, or you can even hook up a 5.25-inch optical drive through here, right there, and you also have 3 USB 3 ports. Like, you have 2 right there and 1 right there. You could hook up a USB flash drives. You could hook up a keyboard, mouse, or you could even put in a USB 3.0 hard drive or USB 2.0 external hard drive. And it's pretty versatile. It's also powered. There's also a power connector right here. Here's a power adapter that you hook into there in case you may need extra power. So if you're using this for a Raspberry Pi 4, then you may need to power this up because of USB because of Raspberry Pi 4 USB 3.0 port may not have enough power to power up a 3.5-inch hard drive, 2.5-inch USB hard drive, or a 5.25-inch optical drive, whether that be a DVD drive or a Blu-ray drive. So this is pretty useful for that purpose, for those purposes, and it's pretty small, as you can see. Very compact, and I'm going to show you how to use it after this. In order to use this, it's quite simple. You just get the connector, line it up with the back of your Sata, line it up with the Sata connectors in the back, so it's like that. It's like in that orientation, and you just line it up and just push it in. Kind of hard to do on camera. It just goes in just like that. That's how you get it in. Take it out, and you just pull it out. Just as easy as that. Okay, I have hooked up the USB 3.0 adapter, Sata and USB adapter, to my computer's front USB 3.0 port, and I will be testing it out to see what works with this and what does not work with it. So the first thing I'll be testing will be a USB 3.0 flash drive. The next thing I will be testing will be a USB 3.0 hard drive, and I will also be testing a USB Sata, a Sata hard drive, 2.5-inch, and then I will be testing a 3.5-inch Sata hard drive, and I will be testing a Sata DVD ROM drive as well. So I'll start the first test. Okay, I have hooked up a USB 2.0 flash drive, and the computer has detected it. And that's the USB 2.0 hard drive right there. So that worked. On the second test, I added 2 USB flash drives. So as you can see, there's 2 in there. One is a 32 gigabyte and the other is a 64 gigabyte. So it is detecting, the 32 is the 64 is here. It's detecting, and I'm able to use it. And that's the 32 gigabyte. so they both are working. Now I'm going to disconnect the flash drives. Just go right here and just do that. I'm going to do that. Disconnect both. And make sure you do that when you disconnect any USB device from that adapter. Just go in here and disconnect it. Okay, now that's done. Now I'm going to try the USB 3.0 2.5 inch hard drive, which I have connected to the adapter, and it has indeed detected. So it's right here, it's that drive. So it has detected and I'm able to use it, which is good. So that works. So you could technically hook up two USB 3.0 hard drives to this if you wanted to, because you have 3 USB ports altogether. I'm using one of them. So you could also hook up a keyboard and a mouse to extend the number of USB ports in your computer, or you could put a flash drive in there, and that would also work. And again, don't forget to go over here and eject any USB devices that you have, except for the keyboard and mouse. Okay, so it's taken out. Now I'm going to testing this 2.5 inch Sata hard drive, which I have connected. It's easy to connect. All you do is you just align it with the connectors and put it in there. So it is connected to my computer, and I have connected it to my computer, and let's see if it's detecting or not. So it's a Toshiba external 1.36 terabyte hard drive, so it's detecting and it's working. So now I'm going to take it out and test the next device. Check this. Okay. Next test is this Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte hard drive. I connected it and it appears to be working. I have detected it. The hard drive is detected, and which is iDrive right here. I don't have anything in it. It is detecting and it is working. So I have tried other drives and they didn't work. Like this Western Digital 500 gigabyte hard drive, that did not work. And another one didn't work either. This hard drive also did not work. This is a Seagate 160 gigabyte hard drive, and that didn't work. So I'm going to test out more hard drives and see if they work, and I'll show you. Again, don't forget to eject the hard drive before you take it out. Okay, it's ejected. The hard drive I'm testing is the Samsung model HD502HJ hard drive, 500 gigabyte hard drive, and this appears to be detecting. So I have Windows has detected it, or my computer has detected it, and it's drive J right here. This is working. So yeah, that's working. So maybe the other hard drives that I tried before didn't have the right type of format, because I do have some hard drives that are just specifically formatted for Raspberry Pi 4 or Linux, and that's probably why it's not detecting. But I'll run more tests just to make sure. Okay, I'm going to eject this. I connected this Western Digital Blue 160 gigabyte hard drive, and it appears to have detected, and that I know is formatted for Linux, not for Raspbian, but Linux. I think it's Linux Mint or Ubuntu or something. It is detecting. The hard drive is detecting, so it works. So I'm gonna check that. So this hard drive's working. Final test is a Sata optical drive, and sadly none of these worked. I tried various types and models of Sata optical drives, and they all failed. I tried this one, that one's a Samsung DVD-ROM drive, and that's not very old. Maybe it's like 3 years old or something. These two are old. All three of these are old, but they all failed to work. They don't work. They don't detect on the computer either. And they're not even showing here. That's the optical drive for this computer. So that's not that optical drive. So another strange thing that happens is when I press the power button here, and there's a disk in it, just to show you, and it's not showing up here. This is what it does. It doesn't stay open, and of course it's not working, so it doesn't matter. But when I put the same disk in my regular optical drive, it does work. It does show. See. Okay. So when I put it there, it does detect and it does work. Just let it load up. Okay, see, that works. That's my default optical drive, and that is working, of course, but unfortunately none of the optical drives work. None of the 5 1/4 inch optical drives work. So if you do want to use a optical drive, an external one, you would probably have to use it through the USB 3.0 port. Just gonna take it out. Taking it out is pretty easy. Just pull it out. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.